What's up, everybody? We're at the river today, and we're gonna do a little bow fishing. We got Rance and Ben, and the old boat here. River's really low, but hopefully the fish are concentrated and we're gonna get into them. So stay tuned. Let's go get some fish. Show that mullet. Probably just pull up.
Yeah. No. Should I?
I left my wallet in there.
Mine too. Should I lock it?
Yeah, I would.
Oh yeah.
We made it to the creek. This is the spot that we think the big ones are lurking around. Let's grab the GoPro and the bow and start shooting fish.
On him. Wait on him. Stick him.
Rance got him.
No. Ben scared him away. He didn't say 1, 2, 3. He just.
I like that.
Scissors gets the meat around here, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be real careful with these ones. Or he'll come off. Hot time. Guess I need to aim even lower because I aimed pretty low on that one. I still almost missed him. Got the wrong fish, what you did. One, two.
He's dead. I missed him.
I dumbed him.
Both of y'all got him.
And this boat, this guy was missing.
I got him. I don't want to come off frame.
Oh, well, I went by, came back by, and he laid waiting on me.
There's a turtle walking through the middle. We're about to haul ass up in that little creek right there. And it's pretty shallow. There's a turtle walking up it. Back up.
Full mode.
Alright, give her hell.
Full mode. I think I gotta get out of these ruts.
Alright. Might need to hook your old side-by-side up to him, help him pull him out. Give her hell. He's trying the old crawl mode on the Toyota. Might need to hook the old Can-Am up. But don't sink it. He don't fuck that. You hook it up? Yeah, I got a winch.
Oh, okay.
It won't hook the other side. All right, we got the winch hooked up. And we'll just sink this Can-Am like a rock hard deal and just winch.
Yes. Because it was just working like right there, but like it wouldn't. I don't know if you're supposed to give it gas or if it's supposed to do it all itself. Boys and girls, that's how a winch is supposed to work. Don't back up, you'll break the shit.
And when you start backing up, that's how you break some axles. You gotta winch it. Yeah, boys, that's how you do it. You just gotta winch it. Don't start backing up, because you'll break some axles and break everything else. Just gotta sink that old Can-Am. Start winching.
I haven't had this thing pick up a week.
Well, guys, that's a wrap. We didn't shoot a whole lot of fish, but we had a good time, and we used the old Can-Am here to pull out the old Toyota that's supposed to have some crawl control and sand or whatever. I don't think Ben knows how to work it. But, you know, Ben had a good time on the river. Found some fossils on the sandbars and shot a couple of fish. So stay tuned. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And stay tuned for more videos. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.